Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show my diamond painting that I ordered from AliExpress, and it just came today. So I ordered this on, I think, the 6th of May, and today is the 19th. So it took 13 days, which is 2 weeks, a little under 2 weeks, so that's not bad. So I haven't opened it, I just kind of cut the side, but I haven't taken it out. So this is how it comes. And let's see. So, okay. So, alright. So this is the box. And again, I got the Peacock one. The brand is the MEIAN company, and it's item MF6322G, and the picture size is 74 by 42 centimeters, and the canvas is 82 by 50 centimeters. Okay, so opening up, the canvas is rolled. It's a little smushy right there, but overall not too bad. Okay, so here are the tools. Okay, so you get a tweezer. You get the little pack here. And this is the first time I've ordered from AliExpress. The other ones I had were the ones from Michaels. Okay, so they gave me 2 of these. And here's the extra bags. And let's see. So this one has the 2 of these, and they have this end, and I believe that you can put the wax in here and pick up multiples to stick them down. I've seen people doing that in the other videos. Here's some stickers, some label stickers, so I guess I can label the bags with the different numbers. I have a tweezers and extra baggies, Ziploc bags. Okay, so awesome. Open this up. And I think I paid like $25 or $24 on this. I got this again on AliExpress. Open this up. Okay. And this is the Peacock one. Okay, so this is a clear, because some of them I seen had the white covering, but this is a clear covering. And here are, let's see if I can kind of show you. I can't zoom out too much, but this is the size. So it is pretty big. It is, again, a 50 by 82 is the whole piece, and that is centimeters. So these are all my drills, and I believe this one, oh yep, so this one comes with some extra ones that are bigger for this part of the Peacock. Let's see if I can bring this up. So for this part here, you get these extras. So hopefully, okay, so these are numbered here, and then I have all these, and hopefully there is enough of them, of each one. These are very shimmery, and these are round drills, but this is definitely, these are very kind of like an iridescent color already. These are the, kind of the gemstones that go into this part right here. So yeah, this is kind of cool. Hopefully there is enough for each one. Okay, so just to kind of do a comparison with the ones that you buy at Michaels, the Diamond Dotz, they are a little different. I can tell, well, the tools are different. In the ones you get at Michaels, you get the tray with the spout, and here you don't get the tray with the spout. So this makes it easier when you're putting them back into the bags. And then of course you get your wax goes into this little kind of zip top, or this, you're just getting these blocks where I guess you would just kind of cut it off. And then the tools are different because the tool that you get with here has kind of the grip that you can put on it. But of course now I have the grip and I have this tray so I can use this. However, this one has the long where you can put the wax in here and you can, let me zoom in. And you can pick up and do multiples. So for the ones that have like these backgrounds, you can do multiples. And they gave me 2 trays plus the tweezers in this kit. Now the other difference I see, like I said, was in the actual resin pieces that you get. These resin pieces are definitely have like, they're definitely, they're faceted, so they're not just smoothly round, and that's to help the light go off of these. Where these look like they are kind of smooth, they don't look like they're faceted. I'll have to. They kind of look. These kind of look smooth. However, they do have some of these have like kind of like an iridescent paint or texture to some of them to make them more like rhinestone-ish. So we'll see. Let me feel the texture of the canvas. So this is sticky. It feels the same stickiness as the other. And this is a full drill where the other ones that at Michael's are mostly the partials except for the Starry Night. And I will definitely work on this and, you know, kind of show you guys. I'll do some updates as I do it along. I don't have that much downtime, at least not right now. In the summer, I will have a little more downtime. Right now, my days are pretty busy that I won't be able to get to this too often, except for maybe like the weekends. I don't know if anybody is interested. If you're interested in what I got this in, this is from the Mian company. I can kind of go into my orders, or let's see. It's the one that the Peacock, and this is what it will look like when it's done. And I was kind of drawn to this one just because it looks so three-dimensional, so I wanted to see if it really came out looking that way. So yeah, that's why I was pretty drawn to this one. And again, what I paid for this was, and there's free shipping on AliExpress. I went to this site because I heard this was a good site, and they had they had a 4.9 rating with 1,430 votes, and they've had 29, almost 3,000 orders. So that's kind of one of the things you want to check. When you go to like, and I haven't been on Wish, but when you go to like Amazon, you have to kind of be aware what you're typing in, because there's all different prices and you have to know what you're looking for. So if you go diamond painting kits on Amazon, okay, so I'm in Amazon, and if I do diamond painting kits, diamond painting. Okay, let's just go to diamond painting. You're gonna get like a bunch of sites, and some of them are really cheap. I've seen them for like $1. Let's see. And you just have to make sure what you're buying, because I've seen, okay, so let's say this is like $5. You have to be careful what you're paying the $5, because this is $4.99 plus free shipping. So one thing I would do is I would look and see how many customer reviews, if it's a full, if it's a partial, and the size, because this is 30 by 30 centimeters and it's probably just a partial. So I would look under the customer reviews, and I would also see. So they have different sizes. This is actually 30 by 30. It's only 11 inches, and it's probably just the rose. So if there are reviews, I would look at the reviews. So you would look and see if it's like a full drill, it's a partial drill. A lot of the ones, most of these ones that are cheaper are, they're partial drills. So it says, let's see if it says what size it is. But it doesn't always say, so you would have to like kind of look through the reviews and see what people are saying. And then of course my other place is, and I haven't bought from them, if you're looking for the square drills, this Paint with Diamonds company, I've looked at their reviews. They have a lot of good reviews. They have like, they literally have, they're doing like a spring sale. And I see that the sale seems to be going on all the time. Like every time I go to this site, even though it says like it's ending soon, I feel like this sale is going on. And again, you want to kind of, they have a video showing, and you can view all their collections. They do them by collections, but you can also view them, like view all. So let's see, all paintings. And there are so many paintings. If you look and see, they have so many and they're so pretty. Different kinds of collections. Let's just go to the collections. So you have your sports, your abstract, beach and summer, animals, birds, butterflies, boats, castles, chickens. There are all kinds of collections. Puppies, dolphins, deer, eagles, dragons, elephants, famous, fantasy, Mexico. Okay, so let's just look. Okay, like my friend was oh, foxes. I love foxes. So here's, or let's do the floral. And okay, so let's just try, like, say this one. So I would click on this one and then see how it says $9.99. So I would say that's a 20 by 25 centimeters. So you would look at the different sizes, pick the different size that you want, and then the price is going to go up. Regular $70 to $35. Now I'm on a 50 by 65. And then it'll also say square drill. I don't know if any of them are, it looks like most of them are square drills. I don't know if they sell the round drills. Okay, flower diamond painting kits, $9.99 and free shipping for Mother's Day. Okay, and they do custom kits. So that's, a custom kit is where you would send like a picture and they would make a kit for you. So, and they have free 2-day shipping. So even though it's coming from overseas, they're saying it's free 2-day shipping. Okay, so it looks like they mostly do the full square drills. Even they sell the accessories, so you can get some of the storage boxes, the wax diamond pen, which kind of looks like my crystal katana. You can get a kind of a light pad to go underneath it. They sell the wax diamond pen, so they sell a bunch of different, and they have more. I'm not going to go through other accessories. But they guarantee free shipping worldwide, 100% satisfaction guarantee. They say they stand by their products. I did look at some of the reviews. Let's see. And what I liked about some of the reviews is there was, like, most of the reviews are good, but here is a 1-star review saying no instructions were included and the paper was showing the contents was not in English. So it's not like a site that just kind of stacks the reviews so that they're really good. You do see some. Here's another one. There were not enough diamonds included. I made it work, colors, but so there are bad reviews on here. People that say like things that don't work. Although they did say that if they will, you know, contact them if you don't get the amount of diamonds, that they will send you more. And supposedly they will fix the problems. I don't know if they do or not. I haven't bought from them. I think overall there's more better reviews than worse reviews. I don't know. I really like the pictures they have. I don't know if if I finish with this, I may try doing a square drill. I haven't done one yet. I heard they're a little bit harder to do, but that there's kind of pros and cons to them. So my advice is when you're buying them to, you know, go with companies that have a lot of reviews, that people are happy with, and, you know, that are positive, that do have a customer service that is willing to refund or send you missing parts, you know, that have guarantees, whether it be on Amazon and AliExpress or on this Paint with Diamonds, or, you know, there's other companies. There's a lot of different companies, so just be careful. You know, just look at the reviews. Make sure you check the size that you're getting to make sure that you have the correct size. Is, you know, my advice. All right, so anyways, I will work on my peacock, and when I get through with some of it, I will do an update. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.